Changing the email link to your Robinhood account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled personal information or account information. Click or tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email. Find the section for your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button and click or tap it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email link to your Robinhood account will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.